Yo, what up? It's the Mint Pop and I'm back. Back at y'all with another unboxing. Today I got your regular Jordan 4 box. Colorway white, military blue, neutral gray. So yeah, we got the classic military blue 4s from 2012. And they're soon gonna come back next year. So we just got a white leather upper, gray nubuck toe box, Jumpman on the inside. Got the hang tag, of course. Jumpman on the back. I believe next year's is gonna be Nike Air on the back. This is a dead stock pair. But yeah, just a classic, not too much to say here. You won't often come across brand new pairs of these anymore. Yeah, these are actually about to be shipped out to a buyer. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Do y'all prefer the Jumpman or Nike Air on the back? You'll be copying next year's military blue 4s. If y'all want to keep up with my inventory, you can follow my Instagram at the Mint Pop. I'm always buying and selling, so you can DM me on there. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.